Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for you. The Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3 Plus, the ultimate VHS to DVD converter. Stay tuned to find out why this is the best VHS DVD converter available. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at the Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3 Plus. This incredible device allows you to preserve your cherished memories by converting your old VHS tapes into digital format or DVDs effortlessly. So, what makes this Roxio converter stand out from the rest? Let's talk about its key features. First and foremost, it's compatible with Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 7, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Mac users, don't worry. There's a Mac version available too. With over 3,000 ratings and the title of #1 bestseller in internal TV tuner and video capture cards, you know you're getting a quality product. It's incredibly easy to use. Just connect your VCR or camcorder, and you're ready to go. But wait, there's more. This converter goes above and beyond just transferring your tapes. It allows you to enhance your videos by trimming, editing, improving colors, adding transitions, reducing noise, and stabilizing old footage. Want to add a personal touch? You can choose from creative and customizable DVD menu templates or create personalized disc labels. And guess what? When you purchase this product, you get not one but 2 bonus DVDs, exclusively from Amazon. Perfect for your first projects. Roxio is a reputable brand, and this product is brought to you by Corel, a trusted name in software development. Now, let's see this Roxio converter in action. We'll demonstrate how easy it is to convert your old VHS tapes into digital format. With Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3 Plus, you can keep your precious memories in top condition. Whether it's converting VHS to DVD or digital, this device has you covered. It's not just a converter, it's a complete video enhancement tool that will breathe new life into your old videos. Don't forget about those 2 bonus DVDs you'll receive as an Amazon exclusive. They'll help you get started on your first projects. In conclusion, the Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3 Plus is the best VHS DVD converter available in the market. Its ease of use, powerful video enhancement features, and bonus DVDs make it a must-have for anyone looking to preserve their cherished memories. If you want to bring your old VHS tapes into the digital age, don't miss out on this amazing product. Click the link in the description below to get your Roxio Easy VHS to DVD 3 Plus today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.